What's going on, guys? So today is the day. I just gotta go pick up a few parts, but wanted to get on here and tell you guys today is the day. The JZ is getting built. The machine shop is done. Just gonna pick up some paint and some more brake cleaner that Jared needs to finish assembling the engine. Make it look pretty, obviously. Clean everything up, but man, this day doesn't feel real. This is crazy. I can't believe this is really happening, and the engine's getting put together, you know? So that's extremely exciting. I'm driving now, so and it's kind of raining, but oh my God, I can't even put into words the feeling of how freaking ecstatic I am about this, get this project rolling. So I'll go through all the parts that we have, everything is brand. I bought every little thing that Jared told me I needed to get, and then some that we thought about, like once we started the process of planning how to build this engine, everything brand spanking new. Every single thing. The machine shop did a beautiful job with the block, assembling the pistons and rods and everything and getting all of that installed, billet main caps, all of that is done. So that's extremely exciting. There was a cop, I had to put the camera down some. But yeah, man, this is so freaking cool. I can't believe this is happening, bro. 2JZ, no shit, bro. Let's go. God, it's been a long time coming. I hope you guys are excited for what's about to happen. I'm gonna try to document as much as I can today of the process, And yeah, let's get it rolling, boys. So, and girls, who if you're watching, this is extremely exciting. So guys, as you can see, the motor is completed. Thank you, Jared. I just wanted to say thank you. And we're not going to tell you exactly everything that's done to it just yet. Everything you're going to see is going to be kind of time-lapse. So once the motor is running and everything and dialed in, once we go tune it, then you guys are going to know more about it. But here she is, all mocked up. Motor's ready to go home. So this is exactly the turbo I'm going to be running. Jared just happened to have one here, and we test fitted it just to see how it looks. Makes me want to get my shit even quicker. So, yeah, man, if you guys need any work done, if you got a cool project like this and you want to build, please hit up Jared Ford Performance and come check him out, because look at this beautiful thing. I'm going to put a picture here of how everything was this morning when I came in. He did this in like 8 hours. So this is crazy. Luckily, we've been working, and he told me everything I needed to get, so we got everything here.
And you listen?
Yeah.
Awesome. It's a very good change.
Yeah, so like if you have somebody helping you with a project like this, if they tell you this is what you need, don't be a cheap ass and not get exactly what the person telling you to get, because then you get a product like this. This is amazing. I don't even know what to think yet still. I'm just looking at it and geeking. I'm like, this is crazy. But again, bro, thank you so much.
Yeah, man. Thanks for the opportunity.
This is awesome. So there you guys have it. This is my fully built 2J. So yeah, catch you guys in the next video. So the motor is finally home. I'm about to take it out the car. You guys won't believe where we were able to fit it. It's like it was meant to be for this, for real. So I came home last night, drove super slow. I was extremely nervous coming home, but the damn motor is here finally. Again, shout out to freaking Jared for taking the time, you know, to help me out to do this. This is like a dream of mine. I'm gonna show you guys the current state of the Z. It hasn't been touched ever since we put the VQ motor out, so it's just been sitting here. Let me show you guys real quick. So this is how she's been sitting. Still has the dirtiness from when the motor blew. You know, look how dirty it is. I gotta clean it up. Probably gonna paint the engine bay. But yeah, this is how she's sitting. But the crazy thing is how I brought the motor home. I'm about to show you guys. Unlock the car real quick. So I have a 2019 Rogue, and we fit the motor in the back. So let's pop this thing open. Ta-da! This thing is beautiful. So I'm about to try to take it out. Not try, I'm gonna take it out and put it on the engine stand. The engine stand is sitting in there too. And yeah, let's get this bad boy unloaded. So excited to have this thing home. Can't believe I have a fully built 2JZ. I was gonna end the video last night where I stopped at, but I feel like you guys needed to see this. The motor being home. It was too dark and way too cold last night to try to get the shit out. And it's out. Gang gang. So as you guys can see, now finally the JZ is home. Let's go. It's freaking exciting. So like I said yesterday in the video, the turbo that I test fitted it is the same turbo I'm gonna get. Jared just happened to have one at the shop that I test fitted it. But yeah, I'm just gonna put my old turbo on it just to make it look pretty. Not the turbo I'm gonna run. But yeah, man, this is freaking exciting. I can't believe this is home. Let's go. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And make sure you guys check out What's Your Drive podcast, because there's a lot of cool stuff coming out on that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little build series of getting the motor put together. Now, the road to 1,000 horsepower 2JZ 370Z continues. So this was just one of the many steps that needed to be done. Probably one of the biggest steps that needed to be done. So here we are, guys. There's some more goodies for the car coming, for the motor, I mean. Once I get those, I'll show you guys what it is, and then I'll install them on camera and stuff and everything. So stay tuned for more content, guys. Appreciate you guys. Much love.